Hello everyone, my name is Linh. I'm 26 years old from Hanoi. Talking about my experience, I have more than 4 years of teaching and management experience. I used to teach for an international school and also working as a manager for an English center. Hello everyone. Do you wonder why every time you try to speak Vietnamese, the local, they laugh at you or they don't understand what you're talking about? In this video, I will explain the reason why and how to fix this problem. Number one, because you don't know how to pronounce the consonant and the vowel sounds. For example, please try to pronounce this. Ngốc. Did you try it? I think you just said nhóc. 90% my students, they pronounce like that when the first time they pronounce the ng sound because they think it's similar, but it's actually different and doesn't make sense. Nhóc doesn't make sense. So the problem is from your mouth and your vocal cords. So this is your mouth, this is your tongue, and this is your upper jaw. So when you pronounce the ng sound, make sure that the tongue is not touching your upper jaw. Because your tongue touch your upper jaw and it went like this. Nya. This is nya, not ng sound. Ng sound is ng. So the right way is relax your tongue, touching nowhere, and open your mouth and pronounce like this. Ng. Ng. Your vocal cords is vibrating. Ng, ng. Try it again. Ng. Now you say it. Ngốc, ngốc, ng, ngốc. Did you try it? Another example is the TH sound. In English, you have the TH sound. Have two ways to pronounce this: is th and th. But in Vietnamese, you don't pronounce like that. The TH sound is t, t. Very easy. So if you see it's too difficult to pronounce the ng sound, it's exactly the same when I learned English. It's for Vietnamese. When we have to pronounce the TH sound, we have to practice it all the time to get it. Number two is you didn't pronounce the tone correctly. So we have 6 tones in the Vietnamese tone system. Dứa is pineapple. It's a raising tone. Dưa is a flat tone and it means watermelon. Dưa is coconut and it's falling tone. We also have the high raising tone, the falling raising tone, and the constricted heavy tone. Different tones, different meaning. Keep practice. Number 3 is the structure in Vietnamese and English are arranged in opposite ways sometimes. For example, I have black hat. So the color black in Vietnamese is màu đen and hat is mũ. So if you translate it like Google Translate, it will be màu đen mũ. It doesn't make sense, it has no meaning. It needs to be mũ màu đen, so you can see the color black is going after the word hat. It's opposite way in English, right? I know. Okay guys, there are only 3 reasons in this video that why the local cannot understand you when you speak our language. But there are other potential reasons too.